Hey everyone, welcome back to the Limoneira YouTube channel. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian, nutritionist, founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's Take a Healthy Stand campaign. In the month of August, lemons really shine because all month long we are celebrating 3 really fun lemony holidays. First up, we have National Lemon Meringue Pie Day on August 15th, National Lemonade Day on August 20th, and National Lemon Juice Day on August 29th. So all month long, I'll be sharing with you recipe videos right here on the Limoneira YouTube channel to celebrate these lemony holidays. And because Lemon Meringue Pie Day is coming up first, in today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make this amazing lemon meringue tart with a tangy lemon curd and a light silky meringue. And this recipe is so delicious, and here's how you make it. To make this recipe, you will need lemon curd. You can use store-bought or homemade. I've shared a vegan homemade lemon curd recipe on our channel before, which I'll link below in the video description box. And coming up next week, I'm sharing how to make a really simple, traditional lemon curd recipe. For our gluten-free crust, you will need oat flour, tapioca flour, coconut oil, maple syrup, sea salt, and ice cold water. For the meringue, you will need egg whites, sugar, and lemon juice. Let's begin by making the crust. Add the oat flour, tapioca, coconut oil, and sea salt to a food processor and pulse until a crumbly mixture is formed. Then add the maple syrup and ice cold water. Pulse again until the dough starts to form. Press the dough into a ball and roll out between 2 non-stick surfaces, such as a silicone baking mat and some parchment paper. I'm rolling this long and skinny because we are using a rectangular shaped tart pan. Add the dough to the pan and bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Next, let's make the meringue. Add the egg whites to a clean glass or metal bowl and whisk on medium until they become frothy. Then add the lemon juice and continue whisking until very soft peaks form when you remove the whisk. Finally, add the sugar slowly while whisking and whisk until medium soft peaks form. Once the crust has cooked, fill with lemon curd and top with meringue. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes until the top is lightly brown. Add some fresh lemon zest and enjoy. That's it for today's video. You can view or print this recipe by clicking the link below in the video description box. Don't forget to follow Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and also don't forget to subscribe to the Limoneira YouTube channel so you never miss a video. And look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!